everyone, thank you for joining me today for the tutorial of I Like It. Let's get started. So we're going to start with our feet together. We're going to put our arms into an X and we're going to step out side to side 2 times. So we're going to go X, X. Now we're going to pretend like we're almost hitting our head, almost like a modified Dougie, and we're going to go knock, knock. Every time we knock, we're going to bring our feet in together. So knock, knock. Now we're going to pretend like we're drumming side to side. So we're going to go drums, drums, and then when we step out, we're going to go arm, arm, cross, and toss. Except the cross and toss is going to be a little bit fast. So it's going to go arm, arm, cross, and toss. Now we're going to scoop side to side, scoop side to side, scoop forward, forward. After we just scooped forward, we're going to run forward and back in place. We're going to go forward and back. So when we go forward and back, it's the opposite arm and leg that are doing the work. So I'm going to drop forward on that right leg, left arm comes forward, and then back. After we went forward and back, we're going to step forward and we're going to make a T with our arm. And we're going to take another small step to switch the T on over. So we just went forward and back, T, T. Now we're going to slide 4 times. The only thing that's going to be changing will be our arms. So we're going to go swipe, swipe, forward, forward. And after we just did our 4 swipes, we're going to start on this side and we're going to bounce and point our finger in a semicircle. After we just bounce and point it, we're going to step a foot forward and we're going to go brush, 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 brush. Okay, let's do that again from the top. Feet together. 5, 6, 7, 8. X, X, hit, hit. Drum, drum, arm, arm, cross and toss. Scoop, scoop, forward, forward, run, run, T, T. Swipe, swipe, forward, forward, point, 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 brush, 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 brush. And that ends part 1. Let's try that with music now.
I like dollars, I like diamonds, I like stunning, I like shining, I like $1 million deals. Where's my pen? Bitch, I'm signing. I like those Balenciagas, the ones that look like socks. I like going to the jeweler, I put rocks all in my watch. I like texts from my exes when they want a second chance. I like proving wrong, I do what they say I can't. They call me Cardi, Cardi.
Okay, now let's begin part 2. So part 2 is going to go quite a bit faster than part 1. So we just went brush, 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 and our feet are together. We're going to jump in and out 4 times, crossing our feet and crossing our arms. We're going to go cross in, bring it out, cross in, bring it out. Now we're going to punch each fist in and out. We're going to go hit, in, and we're going to go pull, back. So again, our feet were together. We just went brush, 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 brush. Cross in, cross out, cross in, cross out. Hit it in, bring it out, hit it in, bring it out. Pull it back. And we're going to put on a pretend coat. Jump those feet together, put on the pretend coat, and you're going to push back. Good, let's try that again. So we just finished brush, 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 brush. Cross in, cross out, cross in, cross out. Punch it in, bring it out, punch it in, bring it out. Pull it back, put the coat on, push it back. Good. Let's start with the next chunk of part 2. So we just pushed it back. We're now going to drop down and we're going to step a foot out and our arms come in front of us. And then we're going to switch our feet and do the same thing on the other side. So we just push back. We're going to go down and down. Now we're going to jump 1 foot out, and when we do, your arms are going to come out by your head and then you're going to close them in. And then we're going to step the other foot, do the same with your hips, and you're going to bring it in. So we're going to step out, bring it in, out, bring it in. Now we're going to pull down each side of our legs. So like as if you're that puppet again, you're going to go pull down, and we're going to make small little circles by our head and then drop down. Small little circles, drop down. just put on our pretend coat and we just pushed it back. So we're gonna go down, down, up and out, up and out. Bring it down, circle and down, circle and down. And now we're going to bring, this arm is gonna scoop in, and when it scoops in, it's gonna bring the leg in, and then we're gonna bring the other leg in. So this is gonna be pretty low to the ground, so we're gonna go low and then high. So we're gonna go pull in, pull in, pull in, pull in. So make sure we have that level change. In, 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 in. And now we're going to tap our elbow to the opposite knee, cross in, and after that, that's kind of like our exercise in there. We're going to do a little cardio, just like they say in the song, and we're going to jog in place. And after we jog in place, we're going to hear the music change, and we're going to kick forward. So jog, 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 kick. And then that's going to end part 2. Let's try with music.
Now I like dollars, I like diamonds, I like stunning, I like shining, I like $1,000,000 deals. Where's my pen? Bitch, I'm signing. I like those Balenciagas, the ones that look like socks. I like going to the Tula, I put rocks all in my watch. I like texts from my exes when they want a second chance. I like proving wrong, I do what they say I can't. They call me Cardi, body, banging body, spicy mommy, hot tamale, hotter than a Somali. Bird, go, Ferrari, hop up the stoop, jump in the coupe, big dip on top of the roof, flexing on as hard as I can, eating halal, driving a lamb. So that bitch, I'm sorry though, got my coins like Mario. Yeah, they call me Cardi B, I run this shit like cardio.
Okay, so now let's begin part 3. This is the final part of the dance, and this is the chorus of the song. So we just finished by going kick. After we just kicked forward, we're now going to jump side to side 4 times, swinging our arms in and out. We're going to go jump, 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 jump. Now you're going to step your foot back and go roll back, roll back. So you're going on the opposite diagonals each time. Roll and roll. Now we're going to go muscle, muscle, bring it in, bring it out, and twist, and twist. I say twist because it's like a pretzel's twisting, yeah? And now we're going to go pull forward, and we're going to go roll back, because they're going to say twice in that chorus. I like it like that, so that's what we're hitting each time we roll back. Now we're going to go circle, pull it down, circle, pull it down, and we're going to cross our feet in and out 4 times, just like we did earlier. Cross in, cross out, cross in, cross out. Only difference this time, we're not using any arms. After we just crossed in and out 4 times, we're going to put our arms into an X, and we're going to step out side to side 4 times. We're going to go X, 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 X. Now you're going to put your hands on your legs, and we're going to sway 4 times. Sway, 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 sway. Now we're going to punch down 4 times. Punch, 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 punch. Now we're going to cross our feet to do 2 half turns. Cross your feet, pull your arms, do the first half turn, and cross your feet, and turn to the front. And then we're going to finish right there. Okay, let's try that again. So we just did our kick, and now we're going to jump side to side. 5, 6, 7, 8. Jump, 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 jump. Roll back, roll back. Muscle, muscle, in and out, and twist, and twist. Pull front, roll back, circle down, cross, 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 cross. X, 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 X. Sway, 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 sway. Punch down, punch, punch, punch. Now cross to the back, cross to the front, and that's where we finish our dance. Thank you for joining me today on the tutorial. Let's try that with music.
Got my coins like Mario. Yeah, they call me Cardi B, I run this shit like cardio.